Hi friends, how Python helps in artificial intelligence applications. Let us try to understand in this video, and before that I would like to request you to subscribe our channel SciTechWiz. At the same time, if you like our videos, please do click like button. If you don't like the video, please do click dislike button. Express your opinions in the comment section and let us directly go to the topic. How Python helps in AI applications. Python, it's a popular programming language that offers several benefits for developing AI applications. So here is how Python aids in AI development. The first point is simplicity and readability. Python's syntax is designed to be simple, clear, and easy to read, making it accessible to beginners and also experienced developers alike. Its simplicity allows for a faster development and prototyping of artificial intelligence algorithms and models. Number 2, rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Yes, Python has a vast ecosystem of open source libraries and frameworks that facilitate AI development. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and SciPy provide powerful data manipulation and analysis capabilities, while scikit-learn offers a wide range of machine learning algorithms. TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras, these are popular frameworks for deep learning and neural network development. Number 3, easy integration. Python can easily integrate with other programming languages and tools, make it suitable for building end-to-end AI systems. It can seamlessly interface with C or C++ libraries for performance-critical components, and it integrates well with data visualization tools like Matplotlib or libraries like OpenCV for computer vision tasks. Large community and support. It's a strength of Python. Yes, Python has a large and active community of developers, researchers, and enthusiasts who contribute to its growth and offer support. This community aspect ensures that there is extensive documentation, tutorials, and resources available for AI development in Python. You can find numerous online forums, discussion groups, and libraries where you can seek help and collaborate with others. Prototyping and experimentation. Python's flexibility and rapid development capabilities make it ideal for prototyping and experimenting with different AI algorithms and models. Its interactive shell, Jupyter notebooks, and IDEs like PyCharm enable developers to quickly iterate, test, and refine their AI application. Data manipulation and analysis. Python's libraries such as NumPy and Pandas provide efficient data manipulation and analysis functionalities. These libraries make it easier to preprocess, clean, transform, and explore data sets before applying AI algorithms. Deployment and production. Python offers various options for deploying artificial intelligence applications in production environments. Frameworks like Flask or Django can be used to create web APIs for serving AI models, and tools like Docker and Kubernetes simplify the deployment and scalability of AI systems. So, friends, Python's versatility, rich libraries, and supportive community have made it a preferred language for AI development. So its ease of use and powerful capabilities make Python well suited for tasks ranging from data preprocessing and analysis to building complex machine learning and deep learning models. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, SciTechWiz. Let us learn more, let us grow together. Thank you.